What is commercial real estate? Camilla Bella says, real estate is a bankable asset, so you can always leverage it. It also doesn't tie up a lot of cash. You can put down as little as 10% and use banks' money to grow your investment. With such low interest rates, that's like free money. Unlike the stock market, where many factors are out of your control, your investment can't disappear overnight. You can also build your wealth with excellent return rates and tax advantages. The only people who lose money in real estate are those who bought at the height of the market and sold at the wrong time or took too much equity out of their home, leaving no profit margin when they sold it. It often takes time to see big appreciations, but if you hold on to your investment, you will. The 8 types of commercial real estate. Below, we'll run through the 8 different types of commercial real estate, looking at each of the following: multifamily, office, industrial, retail, hotels, hospitality, mixed use, land, special purpose. To get more idea, Solutions Hub at tutanota.com. Aditya Ahuja says, commercial real estate is defined as any property that is exclusively used to make commercial profit, such as office buildings, malls, stores, etc. Companies invest in commercial real estate mainly for carrying out their day-to-day operations and catering their services to the customers conveniently. To maintain the cost-effectiveness and flexibility, companies also tend to lease commercial real estates. The returns from these commercial real estates yield much better profit than the other investment alternatives, such as stocks, bonds, and etc. For example, McDonald's, the world's well-known fast food chain company, derives most of its profit from the property assets rather than their primary product, i.e., food. Aditi Sharma says, commercial real estate is a property that is purposely structured and developed for commercial use and not for residential. These properties are mainly used for offices, retail stores, restaurants, shops, malls, industries, warehouse malls, etc. The commercial properties are essentially owned and leased to the businessmen from many sectors who want to use it for business purposes. Investing in commercial estate now has become trend in investors because it can give you high yield on lease in opposition to the rent that one can get after investing in residential real estate properties. These properties also can get you highest return on investment because they are mainly constructed into the key localities and they always pays more than any kind of residential properties. Pros of investing in commercial real estate: 1. Can give you highest return on investment. 2. Can get more rental yield than residential properties. Cons of investing in commercial real estate: 1. The risk of getting taken over by the tenants because it is leased for longer time. 2. You will need to abide many rules and regulations cause it falls under commercial zone. 3. The maintenance will be higher. 4. The initial investment cost will be higher for smaller space compared to residential. Regards, Aditi Sharma. Thanks for watching our video on what is commercial real estate.